A 69-year-old woman walks to doctor's office. She tells the doctor, "Doc, you've got to help me. I've had these terrible nonstop hiccups for 3 days straight." The doctor takes a quick look at her, then leans in and says, "Ma'am, I have some news for you. You're pregnant." Hearing this, the woman's eyes go wide and run out of the office. A little while later, the doctor's colleague comes over and asks, "Why did you tell that poor woman she was pregnant? She's 69 years old." The first doctor just smiles and replies, "I know, but hey, it stopped her hiccups, didn't it?" If that made you chuckle, hit that like button and subscribe for more.